In the heart of modern-day Turkey, there lies a realm rich with the whispers of ancient legacies. Known to historians as Anatolia, this region was once the cradle of a mighty civilization, the Hittites, a people whose history and culture was buried under the sands of time. The story of the Hittites is a tapestry woven with mysteries, revealing the rise and fall of a kingdom that rivaled the greatest of its era. Centuries ago, the Hittites emerged in the Bronze Age, around the 17th century BCE. Under King Hattusa I, and later his successors, they carved out an empire defined by architectural grandeur and military prowess. The capital, Hattusa, stood proudly amidst the rugged terrain, its majestic walls guarding the secrets of this forgotten kingdom. But who were the Hittites? Unlike their contemporaries, the Egyptians and Mesopotamians, much of their story remained obscured until the early 20th century, when archaeologists unearthed clay tablets that unlocked new vistas of understanding. These ancient manuscripts, written in cuneiform, chronicled the diplomatic engagements, religious beliefs, and everyday life of the Hittites. The kingdom flourished through notable achievements, including advancements in metallurgy and the establishment of one of the earliest known Hittite law codes. Their religion, a complex tapestry with influences from neighboring cultures, celebrated deities like Tarhun, the storm god, and Hepit, the mother goddess. Yet beneath their prosperous facade, intrigue and power struggles simmered, eventually leading to the Hittites' decline. The invasion by the enigmatic Sea Peoples and internal conflicts unraveled the threads of their empire. By the onset of the 11th century BCE, this once vibrant kingdom had faded into obscurity. Today, remnants of this ancient civilization provide invaluable insights. The ruins of Hattusa, designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site, offer glimpses into the architectural might and the cultural depth of the Hittites. Scholars continue to decipher the surviving texts, piecing together the enigmatic story of a civilization that was a formidable force in its time, but was consigned to the shadows of history. The Hittites' tale serves as a poignant reminder of the transience of power and the enduring allure of forgotten histories. As we peer back through the corridors of time, Anatolia beckons with secrets waiting to be unearthed. In its dust lie the echoes of a kingdom, a testament to the yearnings, triumphs, and tragedies of the human spirit.